Hello everyone, this is Himani Sharma, and this project of mine is basically for prediction of stock prices based upon the sentiment analysis of the news headlines for the same day, and also on the numerical analysis of historic data of the stock prices for the company. So for this project I have used the data set for Reliance Private Limited, which I have downloaded from yahoofinance.com. And for the news headlines, I have used India News headlines. So as you can see, I have imported the libraries here and now loading and pre-processing the data. This data is for 20 years from 2001 to 2020, and here you can see you can visualize the data. It is for the news headlines, so you can see for same date there are multiple rows, and we will check if there is any missing values in it. So we can see there is no. Now this second data is the historic data set for the stock prices of Reliance Industries. So you can see what is the shape and length and content of the data, and also check for the null values. Here we found some null values which I have replaced with the mean value for each column separately. So now the data is prepared. Now let's visualize how is the stock prices going. For the Reliance Industry, we can see Reliance Industry is doing pretty good in the market, and in 20 years it has gone up significantly from down to very up. Now these are some functions which I have made. So first function is to tokenize and to remove stop words from the news headlines. So, and the second function is for calculating the polarity score. Here polarity score gives us 4 columns, which is the positive score, the negative, the neutral, and the compound score. So we will be taking into account the compound score. So these scores tell if the news is towards the positive or towards the negative sentiment, which it is lining towards. Now here I have gathered all the headlines for the same date and calculated the polarity score for each date's news headline. Now there was one more problem in the data set. Some dates were missing in one data set, some were missing in another. So I gathered just the common dates for both the data sets and given the polarity scores to the date. So now you can see this is my new data set with date and polarity. Now I've merged this with historic data, and the new data set looks like this: data, polarity score, and all other columns of the historic stock prices. And now these are the codes I've written if in future I want to take into account more features for training the model, but for now I will focus on the polarity score. Now this function is for creating and training models. So I've created 4 models: random forest, gradient booster, and boosting regressor, and decision tree, and voting regressor. These are the functions to train the models, and function for each of the regressor to make the first 20 predictions. This function is for plotting the prediction results, and this function is for calculating R-square score and mean absolute error. Now first we will train the data with just one feature, that is polarity score. Let us see how it performs. So here I have trained the data, model trained successfully, and now predictions I have taken for each regressor separately, and now I have plotted it. So this is how the predictions look like. Now I have calculated the mean absolute error and the R-square score. Here these are the scores and mean absolute errors, you can see. Now we will be training the data with polarity score and opening price of the day. here we can see the models are trained successfully and predictions are done. Now this is how the plot looks like for the predictions of each model, and these are the mean absolute error and R-square scores for the models. You can see it has performed very good, very excellently, and it shows that opening price is a very dominant feature for predicting the stock prices, and it is very correlated with the closing price of the day. So these are the observation that polarity as the only feature, one feature is a non-dominant feature, but it is quite obvious that as more features you add to the model, its performance tend to increase, not always but most of the time. So scope of improvements are using better improved methods of polarity score decision for sentiment analysis of news, because I have just used the analytical libraries, but if there is any other method to score the sentiment, then yes, it can increase the efficiency of model, and also the hyperparameters tuning of the model will improve the model. So thank you for joining me. Thanks a lot.